As an entrepreneur, marketing is so important. It's the driving force that will draw potential customers to your store. But what about email marketing? With so many marketing options, is email still a valuable marketing channel for e-commerce entrepreneurs? Hey guys, I'm Jessica with Overlow, and today we'll be talking about email as a marketing channel. I'll give you 10 tips that'll help you nail your email marketing campaigns. And at the end of this video, you'll be armed with the knowledge you need to generate traffic with email. If you're just getting started with marketing, you've probably got tons of questions. Which marketing channel is the best? Is this going to be expensive? Am I doing this right? It's difficult to give you a solid answer on which marketing channel is best, but email marketing is certainly up there. According to the Direct Marketing Association, you get $40 for every $1 that you spend on email marketing. That's a fantastic return on investment and something you rarely see with other platforms. There are tons of ways that you can use email to effectively market your brand. So let's jump into our list of 10 tips that'll help you create fantastic, effective email marketing campaigns. Number 1, choose the right tool. To kick off our list of actionable email marketing tips, we're going to discuss the importance of choosing an email provider that suits your business. There are plenty of tools you can use to create and send your email marketing campaigns. We recommend choosing one that is simple to navigate, yet robust enough to enable some advanced marketing tactics like segmentation further down the line. If you're just getting started with email marketing, we recommend MailChimp. It's the industry standard for a reason. It's powerful, yet easy to use. MailChimp also has an app that you can integrate directly into your Shopify store. You really don't need much experience with marketing to succeed with MailChimp, so give it a try and see if it suits you. Number 2, get a professional email address. Free domain email addresses, like the ones that end in @Gmail, @Outlook, or @Yahoo.com, are designed for personal use only. They aren't suitable for your business. If you want to appear professional when you're sending email marketing campaigns, make sure you purchase an email address from your own domain. For example, if I was running a business called Dazzling Jewelry, my emails would be sent from jessica@dazzlingjewelry.com instead of dazzlingjewelry@gmail.com. This simple tip will really help you to build trust with your audience, and that's exactly what you need to do when you're running an online business. Number 3, plan the frequency of your campaigns. When it comes to sending email campaigns, make sure you've got a plan for how many campaigns you're actually going to send. Remember, there are a ton of things you can do with your campaigns. You can send your audience promotional content about new products, you can alert them to flash sales, and you can provide them with a discount code to your newest collection. Whatever you plan to do, plan it out first. Use project management tools like Trello or Asana and come up with a simple calendar that dictates what you're going to do and when. Trust us, this will really help you stay focused. Number 4, experiment with subject lines. Subject lines are super important. They're the email equivalent of a headline on a newspaper. Your subject line is essentially the title of your email, and it needs to entice your customers to click. Remember, there's a lot of competition in someone's inbox. The average inbox includes receipts, orders, confirmations, and of course, marketing material. You need to make sure that your subject line stands out from the crowd. You want everybody to open your emails. Take some time to A/B test subject lines and find out what kind of language increases open rates. Our advice is to keep your subject lines short and concise. Under 50 characters usually works best. And focus your subject lines on the value you're providing to customers. Number 5, don't be afraid of emojis. Emojis are a bit of a controversial topic in the world of email marketing, but you shouldn't be afraid to use them. Entrepreneurs and marketers alike have been using emojis more and more recently. Typically, they're found in an email's subject line, but we've seen plenty of effective marketing campaigns that use them in the body of the email too. Really think about your audience when it comes to using emojis. If you're targeting a millennial market, then emojis could be a great call, whereas an older market might not respond so favorably. As with everything in marketing, it's all about experimentation. Test emojis in an email campaign and see if it has an impact on open or click-through rates. Number 6, include a clear call to action. You can spend hours slaving over the perfect email, but the harsh reality is that your audience might not read through the entire thing. Attention is scarce online, so make sure your audience will see a clear call to action whenever they open one of your emails. If you've already convinced your customers to open an email, your job is halfway done. Get them to your online store with a call to action like shop the collection now, and include a link that takes them directly to that collection. Number 7, remember to send test emails. Test emails are so important. Honestly, you'd be surprised by the amount of emails we've seen over the years that have silly typos or broken links. Sure, those brands left a lasting impression, but it wasn't the one they were hoping for. The amount of time it takes to send a test email and check through everything before you send it to your entire mailing list is so worth it in the long run. Most email providers will allow you to send a test email, so take advantage of that function before you send any campaign. Number 8, check your emails on mobile. More than half of all emails are opened on mobile devices, so it's essential that you check your emails and make sure they look great and function on mobile too. Otherwise, you're only optimizing your emails for half of your audience. This point follows on from the importance of sending test emails. Once you've sent a test email, your first instinct will probably be to check it on your desktop computer or laptop. That's great, but check it on your mobile too. Make sure that all the text is visible, that any buttons are easy to click, and that the overall experience of the email is smooth. If it's good on mobile, you're good to go. Number 9, remember to use abandoned cart emails. When you're running an online store, you'll probably notice that lots of customers add an item to their cart, but fail to complete the transaction for whatever reason. Don't take this personally. It can happen for many reasons. Maybe the customer was just browsing at work and their boss walked in, or perhaps their child started crying and they had to dash away from the computer. The important thing to focus on here is that they did show interest in your products. If they entered their email address, you can send them an abandoned cart email. That gently reminds them that they forgot about their product. And this is a super effective marketing tactic for e-commerce entrepreneurs. Give it a try and let us know if you convert an abandoned cart into a paying customer. Number 10, measure your performance. Email can be a great marketing channel for a lot of businesses, but that doesn't mean it's guaranteed to work for yours. When you're running your own store, it's essential that you manage your time effectively. For that reason, make sure you measure the performance of your emails constantly. You want to ensure you're getting a return on investment. To determine that, you want to focus on your open rates, click-through rates, and unsubscribe rates. The average open rate for an e-commerce business falls somewhere between 10 and 15%, and the average click-through rate is between 1 and 2%. Of course, if your mailing list is still super small, it can be difficult to measure the performance of your emails. This is something you can get to after you've got at least 100 to 200 people subscribed to your list. But once you're at that point, measuring campaigns will help you improve upon each email you send. For example, if 50% of your mailing list opens your emails, but your click-through rate is only 1%, you'll need to optimize the content of your email rather than your subject lines. In that case, try to switch up your calls to action and make sure they're visible as soon as someone opens the email. This is just one example, but there's a lot more to learn from your analytics. Remember, knowledge is power. All right, so that's it for our list of email marketing tips. Was there anything we missed? If so, let us know in the comments below. Like I mentioned earlier, we're posting new videos every week, so make sure you subscribe to our channel to get a heads up when something new hits YouTube. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, learn often, market better, and sell more.